Hi, I'm Aline Bender, and for those that are returning, welcome back. I'm excited to be your sales mentor. Let's go ahead and get started right now. Your potential clients are most likely going to fall into one of these personality types. They are the controller, the analyst, the supporter, and the promoter. The supporter is someone who is so sweet. They're very friendly. They're almost someone that you just want to hug and that you just want to be friends with right away. And they usually don't tend to talk much because they truly have interest in other people. And someone who is a supporter usually just kind of gives you more of a gentle, let's say a gentle handshake. They don't want to hurt your hand. They may even give you a hug, and they're going to be a bit more soft-spoken because, again, they're more interested in getting to know you as a person. When you are connecting with for example, a supporter is going to be really big on making decisions based on the greater good for everyone involved, meeting their loved ones and their family and their friends. So it's going to be really important for you to find out who are these people that are really important in their lives, and it's going to be really important that you ask them questions more about who their loved ones are and focus on what their loved ones need, how to handle objections with a supporter. Supporters will most likely will not have objections. And if they do, just know that it's so hard for them to even tell you what their objections are. So it might be, oh, no thank you, not today. They're going to be really nice about it because, again, they love people and they probably love you. And they might say, oh, well, it's not for me, but I think I have somebody that I could refer you to that would be really good for this product. But you're focused on helping them at the moment. So what you want to do is, you want to also, with them too, acknowledge their objection and say, yes, I understand that and I would love to help your friend in the near future. But right now, what's really important is, now that I've met you, I heard that you said this and this and this, and that so-and-so is really important to you. Mention the names that they've told you. Maybe it might be their granddaughter or their grandson. And it's going to help them think, oh, wait a minute, this is not just for me. This is for the people that I love, the people I care for. And what's really important for them, help them also realize that they are deserving of it too. So not only is your product or your service is going to benefit everyone they care about, but it's also going to help them and also in some ways reward them for being that caring. Let's go ahead and quickly review the 4 main personality types that your potential clients will most likely fall into. And I understand they might have a little bit of each personality types, but there's going to be one dominant personality that will stand out, and that's who you want to communicate to. So there's the controller, there's the supporter, the analyst, and the promoter. And supporters love to say yes. They actually do not like to say no. And if they say no to you, it's going to be in a really gentle, kind way. And the way they're going to say no is just saying, no, thank you, not today, or maybe it's good for someone else. But for them, the way to overcome the objections is obviously acknowledge their objections, but at the same time, bring in the people that are really important to them and share with them how your product and your services are going to be beneficial not only to them, but to their loved ones as well. Ladies, if you have not joined me in my workshop, you gotta do that now. It's completely free. I'm giving you free access today. Go ahead and check on my video notes. You will see a link and join me. It's called the Awake Woman Get Paid Workshop. I'm going to show you one of the most important, powerful exercises that I use to accumulate over $10 million in high ticket sales and to also have a 7-figure mortgage business. So I want to share that with you completely free. So go ahead and join me now. I'd love to get to know you better, so make sure to DM me at @thealinebender on Instagram and message me your comments, your thoughts, and maybe I can answer some questions for you as well. Also, make sure to subscribe to this channel so you can see more videos like this. And until then, I will see you next Monday. Mahalo and many blessings.